Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to get comfortable being uncomfortable. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. Now basically, in order to get comfortable being uncomfortable, you have to sort of move towards the uncomfortable zone, okay? So in order to do that, you have to see the value in getting uncomfortable. So I'm gonna make this simple. You gotta see the value in getting uncomfortable, and the value is growth, okay? Growth happens outside of your comfort zone. If you have your comfort zone right over here, anything you do within that comfort zone is great. There's nothing wrong with that. That's fantastic. But your growth will be very limited. All of your growth is going to happen outside of the comfort zone. Anything that is outside of the comfort zone. So now you see the value in getting uncomfortable. When you get uncomfortable, you are more likely to grow, to experience growth as a person overall, right? So now you see the value. So now you're like, okay, so now maybe I want to get uncomfortable, right? Now that you see the value in it, you're going to want to get uncomfortable, okay? So it's just a matter of exposing yourself and getting uncomfortable. Let's just say that you are afraid of public speaking, okay? Get the slightest bit uncomfortable. Break out of that comfort zone just a bit. Go and speak to 5 people, even 2 people, whatever, even 1 person if that scares you, whatever. Just get the smallest increment of uncomfortable that you can get, okay? And do that a few times, okay? Then guess what? You're gonna feel ready to go to the next level. Maybe now you're speaking to 10 people or 20 people at a time. Do that a few times. Now you're speaking to 50 people at a time. Do that a few times. It's going to get easier and easier and easier. And as you get uncomfortable over and over and over again, it's going to be normal to yourself. At first, it's going to make you nervous. It might always make you nervous, but you're going to understand that those nerves are normal and that you conquer those nerves. So essentially, as you get uncomfortable more and more and more, it's going to be easier and easier and easier for you to get uncomfortable. You will therefore become more comfortable getting uncomfortable. That is the key. It's like exposure therapy, basically. You're just going to expose yourself. So the way to get comfortable being uncomfortable is you have to understand the value in getting uncomfortable and going out of your comfort zone, which will make you want to go ahead and get out of that comfort zone and become uncomfortable in certain ways. And then once you want to do it, then you can go and get uncomfortable over and over and over again. And it'll be easier and easier and easier, and you'll be more comfortable with doing it. Therefore, you'll be more comfortable getting uncomfortable. And literally, it's that simple. That's how to do it. Nothing else to it. I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.